members, our loyal members. My name is Alice Nyamwe, the marketing manager, Telepost Sacco. I'll be facilitating the meeting, the webinar with my also another facilitator called Nelly, our FOSA manager. Kindly say hi, Nelly.
Hi.
Okay, thank you, Nelly. So even as we continue, the major purpose of today's, of course, is to familiarize ourselves with our members. At the same time as we continue building our relationship in the direction of supporting you. So we'll be able to learn more in terms of our SACCO performance, be able to learn more about what the SACCO can offer in terms of savings accounts and loans, even as we continue. So maybe we can continue as the rest will be joining us. So number one, we have our performance for 2024. We are glad to inform our members that we are doing so well. It has been a growth trajectory all through, and we really appreciate that. When you look at the table, you can see that we've improved in terms of total assets from 1.2 to 1.3, which is 14% increase. When you look at our member deposits, also increased a little bit, and we don't have any external loans. That is also very okay because we've had so many SACCOs have loans with banks, but Telepost Sacco is free. Also, we have our investments. They're at 521 million right now. And also, maybe here we can be able to have a preview of the increments. Our total assets there at 1.3 billion. Our loan growth to 18%. Our total revenue increased by 8%. You see, that is something that we need to be proud of. At the same as the equity growth of 24%, the core capital at 37%. So that shows that the SACCO is very liquid, and we are ready to support our members in terms of loaning. So even as we continue, currently the SACCO is empowering our members so that we can be able to continue recruiting in terms of member get member campaign, whereby every member is required to bring one person, one member to the SACCO, as we are looking forward to doubling our membership. So we encourage all our members, especially our diaspora members, to be able to support in terms of recruiting. I know you have friends, families at home. You have friends where you're working in diaspora. You have any of your relatives. You can be able to bring them to the SACCO. Of course, we are looking forward to a reward that we can be able to give to our diaspora members, but we really appreciate if we can be able to support in terms of recruiting members. You know, referrals work more than anything. So now that you know, if you can be able to benefit from our SACCO, you can be able to encourage others also to benefit from what you are benefiting from. So we really appreciate that. Another thing is that we are encouraging our members to have this motto in our hearts that we are here, membership for life. Even as you age, we have all age groups as members. So we really encourage our members to keep Telepost Sacco all through. If in case you bring your relative who is working, you can bring your relative who is working somewhere else. You can bring your relative who is a business person. You can bring your relative who is a diaspora member. So all of them are catered for at Telepos Sacco. So we really encourage our members to bring in anyone. The Sacco is open for all of us, and we have products for all of us. So we really encourage that we be here, no exit. Yeah, I just want to invite Nelly. Okay, because I know Nelly is somewhere, we can continue with our FOSA. As you all know, Telepos Sacco is privileged to offer banking services to the members. And so we are authorized by SASRA. That is a privilege to us that we offer all banking services that are available in any bank. So you don't need to save anywhere else. You can save with us at Telepos Sacco because we offer mobile banking. We'll be able to explain more about it. We offer ATM cards. We offer app. We have an app where you can access your accounts. We have members portal. So this is so important to us as members to make use of our FOSA. So especially those members that are not on our check-off or salary, we encourage that you can be able to have a standing order from wherever you're banking. Of course, we encourage that you bank with us also. We just put a standing order to deduct your deductions for membership or for any savings account. So we encourage you to make use of our FOSA. We also offer real-time gross settlement, RTGS, and EFTs that members can transfer funds from FOSA to accounts in other banking institutions whenever you want to pay bills, whenever you want to pay school fees or purchase any assets. So our members, you are so much catered for. Not all SACCOs offer this. So this is a privilege to us. So like I said, we have mobile banking. Sorry. Yeah, in terms of mobile banking, of course, we use our USSD code. I know for those in diaspora are not able to do this, but alternatively, we have a Pesatele app. You download it from your Play Store or App Store. So there, for you to be registered, you just we send you a form, you fill, then you send to us. And enrollment takes only 8 hours, just a day or even less. This app, you will be able to do balance inquiry, get mini statements, convenient way to deposit and withdraw cash from our mobile. Of course, from the Pesatele app, accessing it is very free. Only the transactions that you do, as mentioned, is what you'll be charged. So we really encourage you to make use of our Pesatele app while in diaspora. So you can also transfer funds to other M-Pesa numbers, transfer to other commercial banks, transfer to other circles. That is very key to us. And then our major that we have is our members portal. This is really supporting our diaspora members a lot. This is free. You transact for free. You take full control of your finances. Just a self-online portal. It supports you. You don't need to call the SACCO, so it will really support you fully. Number one, it does loan management. You can apply all your loans. You can view all your loan summaries, or loan balances, loan details, statements. You can get them. In case I talked about member referrals, you will be able, to register members online through our portal. So whenever you refer someone, just go to our members portal and that is maybe our website, then they'll be able to register directly without even sending a form. You just fill and click submit while you attach all your documents. You'll be able to amend your monthly deposit contribution, meaning you do variation. Like if you want to increase you've been saving 500 shillings. Now you want to start saving 10,000 shillings, you can adjust there. You view and update personal member details. You apply to withdraw from SACCO. Those are some of the details. Then track and manage your finances. Of course, this one is the loan and account statements. Transfer funds between accounts and view a summary of account statuses, sorry. Yeah, guarantorship management is done there fully. Then you are able to update your personal info and nominees, especially the next of kin and your beneficiaries. Please, let's make use of our members portal. If you really don't understand it, you can still talk to us separately, even as we enroll you to benefit from this. So that is one of the things that we've really done to empower our diaspora members. And so as we continue, we say smart saving, seamless payments. So we really catered for our diaspora members here. Of course, you get your account number. Of course, we are integrated with the national payment system to make managing your money easier than ever. Enjoying time deposits to your first account. All these services here allow you to deposit money to your first account. So what happens is that we create a unique 14-digit account number using your ID number as shown. So we have a SIC number 9142, which is constant. Then from there, the 445445 is your ID number. Then your ID number, where it ends, then we add zeros to make 14-digit number. So we understand 9142 is constant, then the rest is your ID number, the rest is zeros to add to 14 digits. So this is your account number. So when you want to use M-Pesa, you use the pay bill there. This is now Safaricom. Use the pay bill there. This is when now maybe you are in Kenya or you can be able to access a roaming Safaricom. So you use this as your pay bill, number 400, 200, then account number you mentioned, you write the 14 digits. Then the money is deposited to your first account directly. Then number 2, we have SendWave, where you use the account number as shown. At the same time, the bank name, right, Cooperative Bank. The money also comes to Telepost SACCO. We have SWIFT, account number the same, bank name Cooperative Bank, then bank code 11,000, then SWIFT code KC00 KENA. So you are able to be supported even offline. After this meeting, we'll be able to support you in case you need more support to understand on that. We've really come up with a very good product here called Lipa na Pesa Tele for our business members. I know maybe as diaspora members, you have families who have businesses or you own businesses in Kenya. You can still use this product here. The Lipa na Pesa Tele is just like a Safaricom till number. We create a store number for you so that you can be able to have it in your business and your customers are able to deposit money directly to your first account using the code. So it looks like this. This is the sticker that we give you. You pin in your business. So your customers will dial *882 *532. Then they'll be able to select Lipa na Pesa Tele, then enter business short code that will be given, that will be written here, BST001 or something. So when you enter the amount, then confirm even as you have your PIN. So the money will come directly to your business. You're able to get notification that someone paid you. And this will support you in terms of loans. So this statement, you know, when we look at your business transactions, we're able to tell that you can be able to get a loan. This is like a salary earner. So money coming constantly to your FOSA account will enable you get a loan. So this is a product that we have for our business people, but also diaspora members can use if you own a business, or if your relative will want to join us from the business entity, then they'll be able to be supported in terms of this. We've come up with also a CIC Corp Care insurance cover, medical cover, that is supporting our members only. So this one is, I know for diaspora members, maybe it will be able to support your families at home. So if you have families at home who doesn't have a cover, this is for you. It's very affordable and offered only to our members. The maximum joining age is 70 years. And it has a maximum of 6 dependents. Of course, you'll be able, if you add more, then you'll be able to add more cash. So the premium rates are as below, as shown here. We have 3 options. M means one dependent and just one person. M+1, M+1 dependent. M+2 is M+2 dependents. So that shows how much you'll be able to pay per option. So we have option 1, whereby you'll pay 7,500. Of course, inpatient is 100,000 and outpatient 30,000. Option 2 for one person is 8,500, as shown there. When you add dependents up to 6, then an extra dependent, you pay 4,100 to any extra dependent you have. Then we have option 3 there with a cover of 300,000 inpatient and 50,000 outpatient. Of course, the details as are shown. It has also maternity, it has dental, it has optical, and it has last expense. So those are some of the things that the medical cover offers. So we encourage our members, for those who have families that can be able to benefit, we will really support you in terms of that. You reach out to us. So I just want to invite Nelly to continue telling us more about our savings products. Karibu sana, Nelly.
Thank you so much, Alice. And thank you, members, for joining in. So we are going to talk about the savings products that we have. As we all know, the first savings that we ought to have, and it is like it is mandatory, is the share capital and the member deposits. The share capital, depending with your classification as a member, and the membership from a minimum of 2.5 and to a maximum of which is, we don't have the minimum. You can save as much as you can on the member deposits. So when we, aside from the member deposits, now we come to the other savings, which one is the fixed deposit account. So fixed deposit saving is the bit of long term, where we have you can save from 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months, and our rates are very competitive. You can check them on the website. Just log into the Teleposaco website and go to the fixed deposit rates. We have advertised them there. They include the call deposit rates. So for fixed deposits, this is an account that we have we developed for you members, that helps you to put aside some funds that you are not intending to use them maybe immediately. Like if you intend to maybe invest in 3 months, then we can fix it for 3 months, we can fix it for 6 months, and we can fix it for 12 months, even for 2 years. We can fix it for those periods of time, depending with your need as a member. So the interest is computed once the fixed deposit matures, that is at the date of maturity. So your interest is computed and it is added to your savings, and it is posted according to how you requested us to do. So you can choose to fix and maybe earning interest after every 3 months and refixing the principal, and or you can say after 3 months, pay me the interest and the principal to my first account because now I will be needing the amount to use. Or you can say refix the principal and the interest back to my fixed deposit for another maybe 6 months or another year or another 3 months. Minimum we can deposit in the fixed deposit account is 50,000, and to a maximum, which we do not have a maximum. So there's no maximum. You can fix up to any amount that you have. So we can, the money will be safe at the SACCO and will be at the same time earning interest. The other saving account that is a bit of long term is the pension akiba account. So for our members, anywhere you are, you can plan for your retirement, either in Kenya or outside. But the beauty about it is you can access the pension akiba account anytime, anywhere where you are. You can save as less as 1,000 Kenya shillings in your pension akiba account. This account is meant for to cover you after retirement. So we have encouraged our members to open this account and save at least 1,000 per month from any source. It could be you have the savings in your ordinary savings account. You ask us always from the money that I put in my savings account, take 1,000 to my pension akiba account, and that way it will be earning an interest of 8% per annum. And that means this money is not withdrawable anytime. It is withdrawable after at the point of retirement. That is at 55 years or at 60 years. We can pay you a third immediately after retirement when you need it at 55, or you can say I want the lump sum, or we can pay you a third, and the 2/3 we will be paying you monthly for a period of 10 years or as you desire. In case in the unfortunate event of death, we will have the next of kin being paid for the next 5 years. That is the amount that you had saved is being spread to fit the 5 years. Another account is Dosi Junior. Dosi Junior account is an account that is was developed for children. So if you have kids that are below 18 years, either you are a parent or you are a guardian or your aunt, uncle, you can open this account for those children that are below 18 years and save for them the school fees, save for them the money for Christmas, the money for their toys. Just put aside money, and also in that way, we will give you a Dino Bank as shown above in that account. Once the account has accumulated 5,000 shillings, that account now qualifies to get the Dino Bank, where the kids will be saving their coins and notes that you give them or you reward them at home after doing something. So they'll be able to save in that account, and at the same time, that amount will start earning interest of 6.5%. This is coming up from 4% where we used to be in the last quarter, and the board saw it fit that these kids are appreciated more with interest of 6.5%. They also get a fund days of once a year. That is for the accounts that will have accumulated savings of 20,000. And they also get birthday wishes. There's the 2 free bankers check to the school as school fees. So if you really try as a guardian or a parent to save these amounts and with a lot of discipline that you don't withdraw with intention of paying their school fees, then it means every time the school is being opened, you have the money for the school fees and you don't struggle, and you can request us to write the check directly to the school, and that one we will give you two free bankers check once a year. Once the child is above 18 years, we will be able to convert this account to now the ordinary account to become now a full member of the SACCO. Another savings account is called deposit. So this one goes along with the fixed deposit account, but the difference with this is that this called deposit, you are able to add money anytime. After 14 days, you are able to add money. But for the fixed deposit, it's fixed. Once you put 100,000, the 100,000 remains for the 3 months. But for the fixed, you can be adding to the 10,000, you can add 100 shillings, you can add 10,000 shillings, you can add more 100,000 shillings and withdraw anytime that you want and earn interest. So this one interest is computed on a daily basis. At the point of withdrawal, you get interest of the money that the SACCO has been investing on other ways. Then another one, the rates also for the call deposit are shown in the fixed deposit rates that are on the website. And then on another product is a Jibambe savings account. This is an account that helps our members to prepare for vacation. We encourage our members to at least find something to relax themselves or go on vacation with their families once a year, so that you are refreshed. And once maybe you start the new year, you start it with a fresh mind that has relaxed. So we have developed this account that is called Jibambe savings account, where you can save as low as 500 Kenya shillings. And when you accumulate these savings to up to 5,000, you are able to earn an interest of 5.5%. This is also coming up from 4%. The amount you can withdraw 2 times in a year or after every 6 months. So once you withdraw, then you have depleted the number of times you are supposed to withdraw. Then it means your account will no longer maybe earn interest, because now you have exhausted the limit. Now, another thing is the account has to accumulate 5,000. And another thing is you can qualify for a loan that is 2 times what you have saved, just to top up on what you had saved and be able to help you cater for the costs, say for the vacation with family. The other savings account is Wezesha. Wezesha savings account is an account that we have also developed to help you set aside some funds just to save and for discipline purposes. This account earns an interest of 7%, and also it earns an interest at the point it hits 5,000. This account, you are required to save a minimum of 1,000, and all these savings, you can save them in many ways. You can use the pay to FOSA, you can use the pay bill number, and you can also use the mobile banking platform. You can use the members portal platform to save on your savings accounts. So let's embrace savings, and let's continue looking into the current accounts that we have. Another savings account is with ESS savings account. The ESS savings account is called the Education Savings Scheme. This is to cater for parents or just for your children savings account, school fees or anything. So we have developed this account. I believe maybe we will add it, and as we share the PowerPoint. So there was the ESS savings account. You are able to earn an interest of 6%, and you are able to get a loan of 4 times what you have saved. So say you have 100,000, you can get 400,000 as a loan. At the same time, you are earning interest on the savings, and you are getting a loan of 4 times, and you are saving. So you have a saving. The saving now, if in case you want to withdraw, you don't have a loan, you can give a 1 month's notice, and we will be able to process the refund of the deposits. Another thing is we switch to the loans because as you understand, SACCO is a savings and credit. So we go to the credit part of the SACCO, where we have several loans, and we have shared just a few. However, you can go to the website and get all the other loans that we have. Because of time, we will share some of the loans that we have that we believe it will be of interest to you. So we have a normal loan. Normal loan is a long-term loan that you can repay within 36 months, and it is 3 times what you have saved. the deposits now, the member deposits that you have saved, the ones that qualifies you to become a member. So what is supposed to happen is just save for at least 6 months and request for this product. You will be given 3 times what you have saved. Jijenge loan also is a long-term loan that goes for 5 years, and you will qualify for up to four times the deposits that you have saved. The minimum, you can take a minimum of 500, not less than 500,000, and to a maximum of 4 times your deposits. This one, it means when you take this loan, you can only save a minimum of 5,000, and so this product, you just, as I said, nearly all the loans that you have in this circle, you are supposed to have been active member for at least 6 months. So that means you should have been contributing. You must have been contributing consistently for 6 months, and you have paid the share capital fully. And this loan, you get up to 4 times your monthly savings to a maximum of 5 million. And you will repay in 5 years. The interest rate is shown, it's 1.3%. You can also just self-guarantee up to 90%. So it's a very good product for you. If you have any questions, we'll be here to support. Another long-term product is a super loan. You can pay up to 48 months. It can be less, but it can be up to a maximum of 48 months. That is, you take up to 3 times the deposits, but the minimum you can take is 300,000, and monthly contribution should now, going forward after taking this loan, should shoot to 4,000. Yeah, and other products, we have the reloaded plus. Just a moment. The asset finance. So this is a long-term product that will be able to help you get a asset here in Kenya. So if you want to buy a car, if you want to buy a building, a house, if you want to purchase a land, then this is the product for you, the asset finance. Asset finance is 72 months product. You take for 72 months. You repay for 72 months and up to a maximum of 5 million. So what happens is that you identify the asset, that if it is a land, you identify the land. If it is a car, you identify the car. And then you come in to us and tell us that I've identified a car at Toyota, and I want the circle to buy it for me. So what we do is check your ability to repay, and we will, if you qualify for it, and then we now go to the extent of valuing the car and get the valuation report. We have a list of valuers from our pre-qualified valuers. So we will give you a list. You choose one. They go and value the vehicle or the land. Then we will come in, and after that process has been completed, we'll give you the loan. You will pay, or you can ask us to pay direct, so we can disburse the loan and transfer to the Toyota, for example, the Toyota account direct. So it's you to give us the authority after the disbursement has been made. So if you have seen any asset, any house, any land that you intend to and you are interested in, talk to us so that we can talk about the asset finance product. Another product is the dividend advance. Dividend advance is a product that guarantees you the dividend. For example, next year, it means the circle will pay a dividend, and that's why it has developed the dividend advance loan. So we will give you 60% of what you got in the previous year. So like what was paid in this year March, then we will give you 60% of it, and it will be recovered in the coming year from the dividends that you will have earned this year. So that product will be on mobile, and also it will be available on the members portal and also over the counter. So you will be able to fill it and get it. Another product is the biashara loan. If you are doing any business, Then I believe Alice talked about Lipa na Pesa Tele, where we support your business by giving you a till or a way where your customers pay you direct to your business account. So if you have a business if you have opened the account in the circle, or if you have the account at the bank that is receiving the business proceeds, then what you do is give us the 6-month statement of how the business account has been doing. We will be able to assess and appraise you, and we will give you a biashara loan of up to 1 million, which you will repay in 2 years. And for you to qualify, it will be 3 times the deposits, and just how your statements are looking like. If they are looking good, and then why not? You get the product, the biashara loan, and you are able to boost your business, expand your business. Yeah. Another product is on the Afya Bora, that is the medical cover, the one that Alice talked about, the CIC COP Care. So in an event where you feel like you are not able to pay the premiums, then we give you the Afya Bora loan to cater for the premiums. The next product I'm going to talk about is the other products that we have that are short-term. So some of them Reloaded Plus. It's for 12 months. You can get a maximum of 150,000. You can access it in the portal, on the mobile banking, and on paper. So you can fill anywhere that you feel you're comfortable, and we will receive your request and process it. Okwalon, these are available on paper. You will fill these products. We are rolling them one by one online. For now, for the instant, the emergency, and the Okwalon, you are able to get them on paper by filling the loan application form or using the members portal. That way, you will be able to apply for this loan and these loans, and will be able to get your request and process them. So you don't have to worry about filling the forms and looking for guarantors. You just look for guarantors online, or if you have the deposits, enough deposits, then the deposits will guarantee you. So just to mention, the Okwa loan goes for 15 months. You can get a maximum of 300,000, and it's for all members. And for instance, it's also for 15 months. You can get a maximum of 300,000. This is processed within 1 hour. Emergency loan, you repay within 12 months, and you get a maximum of 200,000. I talked about the ESS loan. There are several other products that we have not listed them here, but you can get them online through the website. Also, we will share most of the products here, and we will share the training material so that you are able to go through it. We have another product that's called MTele Boost that I really want to talk about it. The MTele Boost is the product that helps you boost your share capital. So if we are new in the circle, or we've been there but we have not hit the minimum, or we have hit, but we encourage you to continue boosting your share capital because the dividend is guaranteed. So the MTele Boost helps you to do that. What you do is apply for the MTele Boost on phone or on members portal. We will give you 50,000, a maximum of 50,000, and half of it goes to the share capital, half of it you can take home, and you repay within 3 months. So else, unless there is something I have left, I think I have concluded.
Okay, thank you so much, Nelly, and for that elaboration. I think we understand. I know we have so many products, but we had to choose only those that can be able to benefit you. I really appreciate for you joining us. I know this first meeting was just to familiarize with ourselves, even as we also hear from you. I know we have a potential member online, Brian, karibu sana. I know you'll be able to join us soon. So we really welcome you. And I know we did not manage to get most of you because of the timing. The time is different in every state and in every country. So we appreciate for those who managed to join us today here. And at this moment, I know we have something to say. Just want to welcome you to say something, a question, a comment, even as we continue for our members. Just unmute and speak. It looks like maybe Brian, you can say hi to us.
Hi everyone. Hello.
Yes.
Speaking it clearly? Hello.
Okay, it seems we can't get him. Olive, please say hi. Okay. I think let me see a comment. Yeah, thank you. We understand, Oliver, and we really appreciate you for joining as much as you are at work. We appreciate you and many others. We really appreciate you. I know we have our CEO online. Kindly CEO, there's something you can say to our members.
Thank you, Alice. Definitely. Thank you so much for the coordination together with our FOSA manager, Nelly. We appreciate your effort and for putting this up. It's, I think, a meet and greet session. I know that with the dynamics, we may not have the cameras on for our customers or even be able to speak, but I am sure that Olive, I can see Eric, Victor, Dan, Anna, all of you are listening in, and we appreciate that we are here today. So for this meet and greet, we really needed that we kind of segment ourselves properly as our diaspora members, and just to indicate that we value you. And Alice, I know this session is being recorded, so you'll be able to share it with our diaspora customers that want to be able to join, so that they get the content. So in a nutshell, what we want to do with our diaspora membership is first of all, expand it in the very first place. We can have more, and I know anyone that is joining it today has the capacity to bring one or more to the membership of the circle. We would like to do more business with you as a customer. We've just given a snapshot of what we do and basically try to demonstrate that we have the capacity to serve you wherever you could be. They say that the world is now a global village, so we are really not apart in any kind of way. We have a robust infrastructure. Our members portal, top notch. You can really interact with us with no paperwork involved, and get money, send money, apply for loans, withdraw your loans and everything without having to see us or be here in any kind of way. So we have been investing a lot, and the reason for the investments is to make sure that our diaspora members are able to feel the same service they felt when they were here or when they joined. We also want to invest you to support your investment goals, because I know that most of us in our prime age as we work, we are basically trying to secure the future. So whatever investment goals you have, please share with us. We would like to see how do we plug in, how do we push you forward, and how do we support you. We know that you could be having some ventures, or your friend that you can refer to the circle have ventures that they would like the circle to really support. And we are here for that. Please let us know what you are trying to do back at home, probably, and we will see how to support you, how to link you up, network you in terms of growth and the right people to advise in your specific area of venture. We are also looking to incentivize in case you give us a referral, a successful referral for a new member, whether in diaspora, back at home, a colleague, a friend, and a family member. We shall be sure to really give you a good reward for that. I know Alice will probably disclose to us even on our social media page. So we are happy. Thank you so much for joining. We shall keep you posted. This is just a first. After this session, Alice, our marketing manager, will share a feedback form. Please fill that feedback form. Let us know where you are, what we can support you in, what are you looking to do in the next 1 year, 2 years, and we'll be happy to get the feedback and prepare better for our next session. Plan financial literacy and everything to support you thrive wherever you are. So thank you so much, Alice and team, for this organization. Back to you, Alice.
Okay, thank you so much, CEO. Thank you so much for the elaboration. I know Brian was speaking, but I was not able to hear him, but some were able to hear him. Brian, can you kindly come up again?
Hello.
Yes, now we can hear you.
Okay, so I was appreciating everything that you had there. Anything I can talk to the telepost marketing contacts of Mr. Nabo. I appreciate for the platform given us to raise our issues. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you all.
Okay, thank you so much. We really appreciate you for your time as well, and everyone else. So I think to that point, we'll be doing this more. So we really